Hey everyone, today we're going to be doing this makeup look right here, and I'm so excited to edit this video and actually get this video up. I'm recording this on a Sunday. I don't know if I'm going to be uploading it on a Sunday or if I'm going to be uploading on Monday because I didn't upload on Sunday. So yeah, but I'm sure it may be up on Sunday, but I don't know. I'm not promising anything. But we're going to be doing this look right here. It's super easy to do. It's like so pretty too. Like, I'm really obsessed with this look. It's super different of what I usually do. Like there's one warm shadow in the crease on the lid, and then like a pop of pink on the bottom lash line. I never do this, and I'm kind of shooken that I never done this because it's so pretty and it's such an easy way to start messing with colors. And I want to do this with like a blue color, a green color, a yellow color. I'm gonna be doing all the colors of the rainbow with this kind of look, you know, because this is super cute. And then down here, I don't know if you guys can see it on camera if I'm being honest, but you could see it IRL. Can you see that now? Like, it's so cute. I love it. It's so easy and so cute. Like, oh my god, so cute. But if you want to learn how to get this look and how to do this, then just like keep on watching. And yeah, like I said, this is for Valentine's Day. Yeah, so if you want to learn how to get this easy go-to makeup look, I'm probably going to be wearing this for Valentine's Day because this is so easy. And yeah, so if you want to learn how to get this easy and simple, pop a pink hearts on the bottom lash line. I don't even know what to call this look, but if you want to learn how to get this look, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so we're just gonna hop into this makeup look. I do want to say real quick that I didn't say in the beginning. This is my hair. Okay, first of all, let me take off the headband real quick. I did get a haircut, just a little trim, because it was getting really long for me, and like my hair's super, like, it's just naturally thick and it's just like a hot mess when it's long. But I got a trim recently because it got a little bit long. It was like to here maybe, and I just didn't want it to like get super long, and then I was just like back to that phase where I would never do anything with my hair, that it would just be like a wavy hot mess. And yeah, so I got a trim, and I want to show you guys a picture. I'm recording this on a Sunday. Hopefully it'll be going up on a Sunday also. If not, then this video is going up on a Monday. But I did my hair, like I straightened it because I just was so bored, so I straightened my hair. And that was Saturday and yesterday for me right now. And the girl that did my hair, it was so bad. Oh my god, my hair is just a hot mess. It's horrible on how my hair looks. Like, it's crazy. So you can't really see it because like the camera's like up and it's like just looks straight, but I did take like forward pictures of like the length of everything. I'm gonna pop the pictures up on the screen now. Like, it just looks so horrible. Like, oh my god, like I just want to cry. It looked like she was blind, if I'm being honest, and she just like did that with my hair, whatever that is. It hurts me. You know, I'm okay though. I'm okay. I'm gonna get it done soon to get it fixed. But yeah, so we're just gonna get into this video. I'm not really doing much. You guys saw what it looked like in the beginning of the video. I do have to leave. I am in a rush. So that's the thing. It's 11:51. And I have to leave. I don't even know when I'm leaving, to be honest. I think we're going to be leaving. Me, my mom, and my dad are going to go run some errands. And we're leaving at like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Yeah, so we're just going to keep it short. We're not going to do a lot, but we are going to be doing a Valentine's makeup look. I do have an idea what I'm going to be doing. I do have some pictures on Pinterest, and I'm taking a bunch of techniques from other makeup looks and putting them all together. I don't know how this is going to turn out, but you know, we're going for it. But I do want to do something in my crease. This MAC Studio Careblend pressed powder in medium plus, and I'm going to grab that with this Saucony blending brush, and I'm just going to put that in my crease. Now I'm going to be grabbing this Wet n Wild H2O Proof Liner in black, and I am just going to, oh my god, my nose itches like no freaking other, Jesus. But I'm going to grab this liner, and I am just going to obviously do my liner, and I don't know what I'm going to be doing. I don't know if I'm going to be doing a long wing or what. I'm hoping not a long wing, but you know, I always say that, and it turns out to be a long wing, so we're just gonna see how this turns out, and yeah. I haven't done a wing in so long. It looks so good. Ooh, girl. Yeah, she's kind of long. Just gonna let that dry before I like blink or anything. It's already kind of creasing, which that's my fault. But you know, we're just not gonna talk about it, and we're just gonna let it dry. Alrighty guys, so I did my wing, and girl, she's not playing. She's not playing. She's just not playing. I'm gonna put on my full face, and then mascara, and then these lashes right here. I don't remember what they're called at all. They'll be down below in the description box for you guys, because yeah. Alright guys, so I did my full face, and I did my inner corner highlight. I did that real quick, and I am gonna do my brow bone highlight with you guys, so that's a thing. But I did take this Becca and Jaclyn Hill face palette, and I grabbed Champagne Pop right here, and girl, like, yeah, I love those highlighters. But I grabbed that with this Wet n Wild highlighter in Blossom Glow, and I have that as my highlighter on my face and my inner corner, and I'm just gonna pop that on my brow bone, because why the heck not. I don't really set my under eyes a lot, so my under eyes right here are like really like creasing like no other, so we're gonna go on with shadow down there, and I'm really excited. But I don't really put a lot of powder down there because I don't like that kind of look, so it kind of always creases up here, which I'm totally fine with because I always put shadow down there. But I'm going to be taking this Pro Pigment palette from Profusion, and I'm so excited to mess with this color because girl, I am going to be taking this color called Jive. What would be a Valentine's makeup look without the color pink? I'm just saying. So I'm going to be taking this color, but first I'm going to be taking that MAC Studio Careblend thingy. I don't know what it's called. What is it called? I don't remember. Studio Careblend press powder in medium plus. I did put this in my crease, and I'm just gonna take this on my bottom lash line just to like have like a what do you call it? A transition for that pink, because I don't want to go right in with that pink and then it's just like it's hard to blend. So I'm gonna go in with a transition, and I'm just gonna put that on the bottom lash line, obviously. Now I'm gonna go straight in with the color Jive. I'm so excited for this, like you don't even know. Like I've been waiting to do this makeup look for a hot minute. And I'm just gonna put it like literally, oh my god, this is gonna look crazy for a couple of seconds. But like it's gonna look good at the end. So I'm just gonna take this color down here and be very careful with it because this color is very pigmented. Like it's crazy on how it's pigmented. So I'm gonna be like really careful with this. And then now I'm going to be taking this NYX Professional Makeup Jumbo Eye Pencil in Black Bean. It's just a crayon. And I'm just going to tightline the top. I should have done this before I put on lashes, but you know, I didn't do it. And this is like really big, so like I'm going to take a small little brush and get some of that black and just tightline with the brush. And now I'm gonna do this one last step, and I'm so freaking excited. Like, I'm like really excited because it's gonna look so cute. I do have a reference picture of what I want it to look like, and I want to do something like that. So there's a dot, and then a heart in the middle. I want to do something like that right here at the same spot. I think that would look so cute. You could totally skip this step and just put mascara on your bottom lash line and you would be good to go. But I'm just extra and I want to do that, so we're gonna do it. I'm gonna take this M Cosmetics eyeliner brush tip in black, I believe. And yeah, so it just looks like this. It's just a pencil, well, like a felt tip, you know what I mean, yeah. And I'm gonna do the dot, the heart, and then another dot. That was super easy. I didn't expect that to be that easy. Should I do it on both sides or just this side? I have no idea. Because the picture, she has it on both sides. But I don't know what I should do. I'm going to do the lippy. See how, like, see what happens. And then if I think I need to do the other side, then I will. I do think that looks really cute just by doing on one, like doing it on one side. But like, so this lippy, I actually thought it was matte, but I guess not. This one's really sheer and really patchy, but I still like I don't know, I like that look for some reason. I don't know why, but like the color of this and the gloss of this, it's just so good that I don't even pay attention to the patchiness or anything like that. But this is the Mega Last Liquid Catsuit High Shine Lipstick in Send Nudes. But I am going to do another heart thing on the jigger, that like I did on this side. So we're going to do that. And then I put some mascara on my bottom lash line, and that's the final look. Alright guys, so that's the end of this makeup look, and I really love how this turned out. Like, this looks so cute and it's so easy to do, and I feel like everybody could do this if they're not comfortable with like the color pink or like a really like a pop of color. I feel like you could do you don't even have to do pink. You could do purple, you could do blue, you could do green. I feel like if you're wanting to mess with color but you don't want to like do a full cut crease or a half cut crease to like start messing with color, just do this, and it's like super like an easy way to do it, and there's not a lot of blending involved or anything like that, and it's just a way to start feeling comfortable in colors. And yeah, so for me personally, I've always been comfortable with colors. Like, if I wanted to try something new and do like a green half cut crease, then I'm gonna do that and not this. But like, if you're like not comfortable of doing like a half cut crease, a green half cut crease for starting out with color, then do something like this. Like, it's super easy, super easy. Like, it's easy. My dad wants to go to Gulf Coast and get some couple of things, so I'm gonna come with him with my mom. And yeah, so I gotta go. I'm hungry, so I gotta eat before we leave because I'm starving. And yeah, I hope you guys like this makeup look. I hope you guys have a great Valentine's. Even though it's like next week, still, I hope you guys have a great Valentine's. Like, there's gonna be more makeup looks for Valentine's. This is not gonna be my only one, so get ready for the realness. Get ready for the realness, because I have some ideas and I'm excited to do them because it's gonna be a lot. So if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe for the upcoming looks for Valentine's Day. And yeah, so, you know, subscribe, hit that bell button so you get notified every single time I upload a new video, and you could be the first one to like and comment on that video. And yeah, so I don't think there's anything else to say, guys, but I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Oh. Oh shit. Oh boy. That could go in your video. Oh shit.